Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi there, kids. Welcome to our super fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to explore the letter F, give it a splash of color, and meet a fantastic friend. Are you ready? Let's go. Here it is, the letter F. It's the sixth letter of the alphabet and looks like a tall, sturdy flag with a little line on the top and middle. Now, can you say F? Today, we're going to color our letter F with a nice, warm, brown color. Brown is the color of chocolate, teddy bears, and autumn leaves. Let's get coloring! Great job! Our letter F is now a rich, warm brown. It looks fantastic. Now, let's meet our hopping friend, the frog. Frogs are amazing creatures with big eyes and powerful legs. They love to jump and play in the pond. Can you say frog? Frogs are usually green, so we're going to use a bright green color to make our frog look lively and fun. Green is the color of fresh grass and leafy trees. Ready to make our frog pop with color? Let's color. Look at that! Our frog is now a bright, cheerful green. It's ready to hop and play. Let's take a look at what we did today. We colored our letter F brown and our frog green. Remember, F is for frog, and our frog looks awesome in green. Thanks for coloring and learning with me. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye! We've got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.